Let me share with you Ghana's popular snack, okay? And this is actually delicious. Spiced ripe plantain. It is basically fried, okay, as you can see. Yes. My name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Trust me, if you subscribe or follow for more videos, you will not regret. So please do so for me. It is absolutely free. Without wasting much of your time, I have my plantains here. I have washed them very well. You do have to wash yours as well because you don't know where it is coming from, okay? So make sure you wash it very well before you peel it, because if you hold the skin, you will definitely touch the plantain itself as well. So make sure you wash the plantain before you peel it. Now go ahead and then cut them into smaller chunks. If you don't like the way I'm talking, I'm so sorry, because I have cold. I always have cold. I have cold every day because I encounter a lot of people all the time, and I am allergic to spray, yes, perfumes, especially the one that is abotulistic ones, okay? Those that are not a foul human, yes. So I have cold all the time. I don't like perfumes and then pomades that has high perfume in it, yes. So I am basically natural girl. That is just by the way. So if you don't like the way I'm talking, I'm sorry, I have cold. I'll continue with the process till I'm done with everything, and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. So I'll continue that behind camera and then I'll get back to you. Now I have with me here my huentia, cloves, and then pepper. The huentia is negro pepper, okay? So basically negro pepper, cloves, and then my chili pepper. So I added some salt to it, and then I'm grinding it very well. We just want to grind it very well. If you want to use the powdered one, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to use your blender to blend it, you can do so. But with me, I decided to grind it here. After grinding everything, I'll go ahead and then pour the plantain. Now we are going to ensure that each chunk is well coated with the spices we blended or we grinded earlier, okay? So that is what I am going to do. Now I am just going to put on my gloves and that we can continue. So this is all what we are going to do. Make sure each chunk is well coated with the spices, okay, before we proceed. Thank you so much. If you've watched me to this point, it means you like what you are watching. Kindly like, share, and leave me your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers. I am so grateful for this opportunity or for your presence, okay? Now I went ahead to add my grinded ginger. So I've added ginger to it. Yes, I had some grinded ginger already, and that is what I added. You can just add it to the ingredients and then grind all at once. Now after that, I'm just going to transfer everything in my bowl, and then we can proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you. Now that we have everything here, I'm just going to cover the bowl. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to wait for the next day. You can actually wait for some hours and then you are good to go. You can as well fry this straight away and you are good to go. Yes, I do that sometimes as well, and I get it very spicy, but I wasn't in a hurry to prepare this, and we needed it the next day. So the next day I have my oil on fire and it is hot. I've started dropping it in the oil. Trust me, the place smells good. Smells very, very, very good. Yes, and I wish you were here to perceive the smell, okay? Yes, it was so good and it tasted good as well. Now we don't want a situation whereby after we are done frying our kelewele, the spices will not stick to the plantain, but we will see the spices in the oil, where whilst the plantain is also somewhere. At least you'll see some of the spices in the pot, but you have to get some of the spices being stick to the plantains. Okay, yes, like just how you are seeing right now, you can see the spices, yes, being stick to the plantains, and some is also in the oil. Perfect. But we don't want a situation whereby everything will remove from the plantains. Now we will give this a stir, wait for a while, and then we are good to go. Thank you once again, my returning subscribers. I am so grateful that you always come here to watch our videos. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to share this video. Leave me your comments in the comment section. If you want short video like a minute duration or less than a minute, follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, and you will like our recipes there. At this moment, the plantain is ready, okay, but I am going to wait for a while and then we proceed. So at this moment, I have my paper towel in my colander ready, so that I can just pour everything in, and that paper towel will absorb some of the oil. Okay, so this is how it looks. Just look at that. Absolutely good, and then very delicious as well. I waited for extra minutes before removing, but trust me, it was very nice, and all this got finished the same day. Yes, this is even small. We finished it, and then my husband really fell in love with it. As for him, he likes it, okay, especially if it is very spicy. Thank you for watching me from the beginning till now, and I will see you in the next upload. Pair this with your peanut and then thank me later. Bye bye.